Today I'm going to teach you 8 tips and tricks of the iPhone. Some of them are very rare and I'm sure a lot of you don't know about it even though you've had an iPhone for several years now. I'm going to talk about them, so stick around if you're intrigued. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and without any further delay, let's dive in. So in the Messages application, if you want to send pictures to someone, you'll have to click on the plus button, then click on photos, and then you can select the photos that you want to send. But if someone sends you a message where it says send pics, you'll be able to see that pics is underlined. So what that means is this particular word is now interactive, and if you click on it, it'll open up your gallery and you'll be able to select the pictures or videos that you want to send. So this is a much faster way of doing things. And also another shortcut is, if you want to straight away go into your Photos application to send photos to someone, tap and hold on the plus button, and when you release it, it'll open up Photos by default. This is a shorter way of sharing pictures and videos with your friends and family. And if you're someone who uses Messages application a lot, this will really save a lot of time. This next tip is a very practical one and it's a game changer. I'm Indian and I have a lot of people in my contacts with Indian names, and Siri does get confused a lot. If I ask Siri to call or text someone, it gives me wrong options, and sometimes that's very irritating. Did you know you could add nicknames to your contacts to make it easier to identify them? Also, let's say if you have multiple contacts with the same name, adding a nickname will make it easier for you to find the contact that you want to communicate with on a regular basis. Let me show you what I mean. Go to the contact and then click on Edit. Scroll all the way down. There's an option Add Field. Click on that and then select Nickname. You'll be able to see an option pops up over here, Nickname. So let's assign a nickname to this test contact. Let's say Zoom, just off the top of my head. So once I click Done, you can see it shows Zoom over here. I don't know whether you can see that on camera, but it shows the nickname over here. And now if I tell Siri, send a message to Zoom. Hey, how are you? There you go, it's found the contact using nicknames, and this just makes things very easy. Next, if you go to the Photos application, did you know that you could search for photos with sound? Yes, you heard me right. You can search for photos and videos which contain particular sounds that you're looking for. So if you type laughter or clapping or talking, it'll give you results of your entire library with those keywords in it. So as you can see, I have typed in laugh over here and it's given me 526 results. And all these live photos and videos contain laughter in it, so that is why it's given me this result. This just enhances the searchability of photos or videos on your iPhone. The next tip is again to do with Photos application. When you go to People and Pets section under Albums, it will show up all the different people in your camera roll and you can name them to make it easier to find their photos. Sometimes the key photo is not the best, as you can see here. This is not my best photo, and if I want to change it, I just click on this and click on Select, and at the bottom you will see over here it says Show Faces. As soon as I click this, it will zoom into all the photos which contain my face, just like that. And now I can select the photo that I want. Let's say I select this picture, and once selected, I click on the Share button and scroll down. Here you'll see an option Make Key Photo. I just click on that. You'll be able to see that the photo has changed to the one that I want. So everyone that I know clicks a lot of pictures on the iPhone, and sometimes it can pick up faces that you don't really want. So you can just go into the particular photo that is found and click on the three dots. And here you can see there are two options at the bottom. It says Feature Varun Less. So if you want to see less of someone, you can select that. And if you want to remove that person completely from People and Pets, just click the last option. The next hidden feature is within camera, and it's with regard to the 1x lens. It's not a very super hidden feature, but I know a lot of people who still don't know about it. Let me show you what I mean. Open camera and you can see the 1x lens. If you tap on it, it'll give you different focal lengths like 28mm, 35mm, 24mm. These are just different focal lengths that have been preset. If those different focal lengths don't show up for you, go into Settings, go to Camera, scroll down, and under Main Camera, click on that and make sure that these options are enabled. And you can also set the default focal length that you want. Let me know in the comments down below if you knew about any of the features that I've mentioned so far. Another hidden feature is when you're working on text in either messages, emails or notes. So let me open up a note, and as you can see, there's a cursor that's blinking over there. If I want to move that cursor, I'm sure many of you know that if you tap and hold on the spacebar, you can move the cursor like a trackpad. This is nothing new and I'm sure a lot of you know about it. But did you know that if you use two fingers to tap and hold, your fingers become the cursor? I'm sure a lot of you didn't know about this. Let me show what it looks like. So if I tap with two fingers, you can see that my fingers are moving the cursor, and it also tracks much faster than when you just tap on the spacebar. You can see that the speed is pretty fast and it's pretty accurate as well. This helps a lot when you're typing text and you can use your two fingers more accurately to place the cursor wherever you want to make edits, and you don't need to fumble and tap on like where you exactly want the cursor to be, nor do you have to like click and hold on the spacebar and then move your finger to do that. Just simply take both your fingers, tap and hold, and move the cursor to wherever you want. This is a really helpful tip. If you knew about this, let me know in the comments down below. Please hit the like and subscribe button. It'll really encourage me to do more. Have you ever encountered an iPhone storage full message even though you are sure that your storage is not full? So when I bought my iPhone brand new and when I had set it up initially, I got an error saying that my iPhone storage was full. And I was shocked to see that message because I knew for a fact that it cannot be full. I saw that about 110 odd GB was being used by iOS and system data. After doing a little research, I understood that this was the cache data that your phone uses, and this cache data can vary. It can go up, it can go down. It's the normal way of functioning for your iPhone. This is just the cache data and there's no straightforward way to clear it, but I noticed a way. Unfortunately, this only works with the latest iPhone 15 Pros, as it has something to do with Apple ProRes recording. So to enable it, go into Settings, Camera, click on Format and scroll down. Make sure that Apple ProRes is enabled. Now open the camera app and select Video. Make sure that ProRes HDR is enabled. Now you can see over here it shows me that the max time is 12 minutes and I can also free up resources. So when you click on this, your cache is going to be cleared. So as soon as I click on it, you can see it shows over here freeing resources. It's clearing the cache right now. And if you're doing this for the first time, it'll take some time to complete. And you can see that the max time has already gone up to 14 minutes. It'll further go up as it's going on freeing up the resources. So now it's done. You can see it's gone up to 16 minutes. So this has cleared my cache. So you can see my storage has also increased to 100 something GB. Earlier, I guess it was in the low 90s. This is a nice way to quickly clear up the cache on your iPhone. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful. If you want me to do more videos like these, hit the like and subscribe button. It'll really encourage me to do more.